In the realm of nature, the eagle stands as a majestic symbol of power, freedom, and resilience. Its ability to soar through the skies with unmatched grace and precision is a testament to the profound strength that lies within the wings of this magnificent bird. However, amidst the awe-inspiring flights and breathtaking maneuvers, there exists a silent force that defines the eagle's prowess, the power of silence. Silence, often overlooked in the cacophony of life, plays a pivotal role in the eagle's existence. From the moment it takes flight, the eagle embraces the hush of the open sky, allowing the stillness to guide its wings through the vast expanse. This silence is not a void, it is a canvas upon which the eagle paints its journey, each beat of its wings echoing the quiet determination that propels it to great heights. In the wild, eagles are known for their keen vision and acute awareness. Their eyes, sharp and focused, scan the terrain below with an intensity that transcends the need for constant noise. This ability to navigate the skies in silence reflects a profound understanding of the surroundings, an understanding that silence is not an absence but a source of information, a language spoken through the subtleties of nature. Consider the eagle as it hunts, diving with precision to catch its prey. The silent descent, coupled with the piercing gaze, is a masterclass in the power of patience and observation. Silence becomes a weapon, a tool finely tuned to the nuances of the environment. The eagle knows that noise may disrupt the delicate balance of the hunt, and so it moves with purposeful quietude, allowing the rhythm of nature to guide its actions. In the realm of symbolism, the eagle's stoic silence becomes a metaphor for inner strength and resilience. Life in the wild is unpredictable, marked by storms and challenges that test the very core of survival. Yet, the eagle remains steadfast, weathering the storms in dignified silence. It is in the stillness of adversity that the true mettle of the eagle is revealed, not through loud proclamations, but through a quiet resolve that defies the turbulence of the moment. The power of silence extends beyond the physical realm for the eagle. It resonates in the spiritual dimensions of its existence. The bird, revered in various cultures as a symbol of divinity and transcendence, embodies a connection to something greater than itself. In the silence of the soaring heights, the eagle seems to commune with the heavens, a testament to the transformative power of quiet introspection. Humans, too, can draw lessons from the eagle's embrace of silence. In a world that often clamors for attention and noise, there is wisdom in finding solace in quiet moments. It is in the hush of reflection that individuals can discover their inner strength, navigate the complexities of life with clarity, and forge ahead with a purpose that transcends the superficial distractions. As we look to the eagle, let us not only marvel at its majestic flights and awe-inspiring presence, but also heed the profound lesson it imparts. The power of silence is not a void to be filled, but a force to be embraced. In the stillness, we may find the strength to soar to new heights, navigate the challenges with grace, and, like the eagle, paint our journey on the canvas of life with a quiet but resounding brilliance.